Yeah, I really think that it shows to the world that some people were in charge of keeping or not keeping a coach or recruiting players know nothing about football. I mean, everybody agreed, and I think we are legit to talk about that winning the FA Cup was like a curse to Manchester United, because they had to keep Ten Hag because they won the FA Cup, or let's say it was more like a bad gift. And everybody felt that. If all former players, now pundit, could feel that Ten Hag is not the right guy for Manchester United, because we know Manchester United. We saw them playing for decades, and we all know the mentality that they have and the way they want to play and the history of the club. And Ten Hag doesn't represent nothing of that. So I think it shows a lot about people, making decisions there.